And we also have Steve Baric, who's a criminal defense attorney, former vice chair of the California Republican Party, joining us now. Steve, the more popular Trump becomes, it seems, after these indictments with his base. I mean, it just seems to help him along with the Republican base. Now, assuming Trump wins the primary, will these ongoing series of indictments help court independent voters in the general? That's the big question here.
That's a really good question, right? That's the million-dollar question. I'm not sure if that's going to be the case. I think with certain independents and swing voters, the indictments may hurt the former president. I'll tell you, though, we can't look at the Trump situation and the Trump legal battles in a vacuum. We have to look at them in conjunction with what's going on with Hunter Biden and the plea deal that fell apart, the apparent disinterest of the DOJ to conduct a full investigation, and if there's a possible impeachment proceeding from House Republicans against President Biden, that could all filter into creating a more broader view of your question and what independent voters think about President Trump.
And David, Hunter Biden's plea deal fell through with the DOJ. That happened on Wednesday. The judge didn't agree to the premise that future charges should be brought forth. So what do you think is going to happen with that? They have to come back to court, the lawyers for both sides, in a few weeks. A group of GOP senators are now demanding that Attorney General Garland and U.S. Attorney David Weiss testify given recent whistleblower allegations that the DOJ, FBI, and IRS intentionally mishandled Hunter's tax investigation. Legal expert Alan Dershowitz says the judge can call Garland and Weiss in. Do you think she'll do that?
I don't think that the judge will call any of those prosecutors into her courtroom, but I think that in Congress they certainly will call Garland and Weiss, and I think that they should also call the U.S. Attorney in the Central District of California, where my practice is in L.A., and also the U.S. Attorney in Washington, D.C., because those officials, I think, should clear the air. And I think that they probably can clear the air, is my judgment. But I think we need to look at the records of the other cases and to see, is this really normal? Are people normally given misdemeanors with these kinds of tax investigations with what are called affirmative acts that usually bump them up to felonies? Are people really treated like Hunter Biden in other cases? And if the U.S. Attorney in California and in Washington, D.C. says yes, I think that will be very persuasive. But I don't think that this is certainly over. And, of course, the one thing that the judge could do is not accept the plea agreement. She's supposed to not only accept the plea agreement, but my understanding, and it's been kind of hidden, it hasn't been transparent to the public, but my understanding it's a sentencing agreement. It's not just a plea agreement. She's being asked to buy into the sentence, not only misdemeanors, but no jail time. And she just may say, look, I can't buy into this, in which case they're either going to have to charge him with felonies, or this could actually happen, not charge him at all. And yet a lot of people think that this charge, only misdemeanors, no jail time, was really a cover to have an immunity shield for the more serious charges, the ones that the House Republicans want to investigate. So we'll really have to wait and see. But this will become clear in about 2 weeks, I believe, when they come back to court.
I was at the court on Wednesday.
You were.
And one of her big issues was that the pretrial diversion program for the felony gun charge. She said it was out of the ordinary. How out of the ordinary is that to have pretrial diversion charge for a felony gun charge for possessing a firearm as a drug abuser?
Well, the charge itself is certainly unusual. I think that she made a little bit of a mountain out of a molehill on that one. But I think the other one was very serious, that she was being asked to buy in at least ambiguous immunity shield. And she said she didn't want any ambiguity in the immunity shield. And so she turned to this prosecutor who's left over from the Trump administration, but who was, of course, backed by both Democratic senators in Delaware. And she said, wait a second, I want this to be crystal clear. Is he getting immunity for all the things not only under tax, but that led up to the tax charges? And the prosecutor said, no. And that's when you saw it there. The defense attorney for Hunter Biden kind of freaked out and said, well, then it's null and void. How can you ask a judge to approve a plea agreement when the only attorney who's asking it to be approved says it's null and void? So I think that this one really needs the people in high office, especially the people in the Central District of California, the top brass over there in the U.S. Attorney's Office, my old office that I worked in under President Reagan, we're very concerned about our integrity and, of course, the esteem of the office. And there have been sworn allegations of misconduct in that office. That's what those two IRS special agents testified to in the Congress under oath. And I think there needs to be a testimony under oath from the U.S. attorneys there and from Garland and from Weiss saying we didn't do anything wrong under oath, because it's been alleged under oath by two different individuals in government that they did do something wrong.
All right, David Katz and Steve Baric, thank you both so much for your time today. I appreciate your insight.
Thank you.
And scandal surrounding the Biden